fact is that, you know, we all age, but there are certain things which are not part of the normal aging process. We are seeing situations where patients may have been dropped, where patients may have suffered repeated falls, where patients may have been given the wrong medication. Part of the aging process does not entail development of pressure sores. These are factors and complications which arise primarily due to inferior care at the facility. And families need to be mindful of these, and they need to be mindful of the fact that no matter what the facility may tell them, these are typical and telltale signs of neglect. Every person who's admitted to a nursing home, the nursing homes are required to create a customized plan of care for that individual, and that takes into account what their needs are from a medical and emotional basis. And that facility not only do they need to create that plan, but they need to implement that plan of care. And when I look at a nursing home case, I look at, first of all, a lot of times what I'll do is I'll look at what is the injury, and then I'll go back and I'll see what was done leading up to that injury, or what wasn't done leading up to that injury, which should have been done according to that plan of care. Ultimately, it's really up to families to trust their own intuition as to whether or not their loved one has been mistreated. You're really making these companies start to reevaluate the type of care that they provide. By showing these companies that you're not going to take inferior care in stride, it really causes them to change the way that they operate and change the way that they do business. Everything I do is always done on a contingency fee basis. So if a client or family wants me to take a look at a particular situation, I'm always more than happy to do so. Sometimes it's a case, sometimes it's not. But what we need to do as a society is we really need to take a stand when it comes to inferior nursing home care.